am. Hi guys. Today I just became a non-member, and I'm about to, as you can see down here, my non-member tiger, and I'm about to get the promo gifts to become a member again. So I thought I'd do a video, be opening the June promo gifts. So yeah, I'm becoming a member again. I've only been a non-member for about 1 minute, and then I got another membership. So I did a look with the tiger, and you can see that in a second. But let's open my gifts. I actually know what I'm getting, but I'm just literally just opening it. So I already watched my sister do this, so I already know what I'm getting. But I got a weird-looking hyena, which I don't even like. And I got membership has been added to your account. Yes, hopefully that will happen. Otherwise, and I got 1,500 gems, 10 diamonds, crystal scullies, crystal glove, crystal bow and arrows, crystal spikes collar, crystal top hat. Just haven't even got to the diamonds yet. Yay, the Crystal Palace done. And someone's gonna trade me right in the middle of this. Oh, thank you. Crystal treasure. Okay, that's not my favorite den item yet. Yes, it is my favorite den item of the whole thing. The crystal archway. Oh, I love this too. Crystal koi pond. Crystal armor. I said it. Crystal vanity. Crystal window. Ooh, I like that too. Crystal fireplace. Crystal sconce. Oh, I like that too. Oh, crystal throne. Crystal feast table. Brew. What? You just said, why is it pretty? Crystal chase. Crystal sofa. Yes! Oh. I need a blue. Let's change its eyes. Ew, lady eyes. I'm giving the lady eyes. The lady eyes. Ooh, that was like a hamburger. Oh, that's weird. Oh, I'm gonna give it the hamburger here. Ooh, that's like a llama. Ooh, that's cool. Llama it is. Someone took a bite out of its ear. That has to go. Okay. The bit out of ear. That's nice. I wish it was a randomize here. Oh. Guys, we're gonna randomize it. Whatever one it picks. A circle enchilada. A circle enchidna. What's an enchidna? A circle enchidna. That is funny. Okay. Yes, I want to adopt this pet. My circle enchidna. It's adopted Thursday, June 28, 2018. Its personality is calm. Its favorite toy is a skateboard, and its favorite food, ravioli. I actually like ravioli. Ravioli, that's so random. That's gonna be my favorite pet. Why am I random? What's happening? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. See, guys, look, this is my cool look, my non-member look. Like when I was just a non-member, I made this cool snappy look with some no glasses and a worn. Yes, it's a cool look, guys. Okay. Well, okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for staying with me as I made my pet and opened my stuff. that's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, goodbye.